Alright guys, we are back again with another video, and today I just want to do my initial impressions on the recently announced Galaxy A80. If you watched the live stream a couple of hours ago, yeah, I did watch it, and I'm gonna give you guys my impressions on the specs and whether you should upgrade if you're planning to buy one or for your next phone. Who knows? But yeah, this phone is set to release on actually May. This is wrong. It should be May, end of May. Yeah, not sure it's going to be released everywhere in the world, but looks like it's targeted to the Asian market specifically. So yeah, this is the device. I think it only have one image. Let's go to pictures and see. Yeah, these are the official images. So you can see we got the triple camera array here and notchless display, so full bezelless display, just a little bit bezel down here. Other than that, it's pretty much bezelless. And yeah, we have a pop-up camera with a rotational camera. So if you're interested in that, this is what we got with the A80. And let's go through the specs now and see whether it's worth it. So pretty much looks like a Galaxy S10 without the punch hole display, but the screen is an AMOLED panel, not a dynamic AMOLED, just Super AMOLED, 1080p plus display. So yes, 6.7 inch, so it's pretty big. And it comes with One UI, Android Pie, which is expected, and the processor on this thing is a new one. I'm not mistaken. It's using the should be using the Snapdragon 8 700 series, which is 730G. So this is the new processor that they're using in the A80. So it's an 8nm process, so should be better and more efficient in gaming, and mainly all the tasks you can throw at it should handle no issue. And speaking of SD card slot, it doesn't have one, so I think if you are worried about storage, then this phone can be a concern because it only has, I think, one variant, 128GB. I'm not sure there's another variant, but looks like there's only one so far. So it comes with 8GB RAM. So the camera, we have triple cameras. We have a regular 48 megapixel camera on the main sensor. I think this is wrong, it's like f1.7. I don't know why GSM Arena didn't update it. I think I have a better website. Yeah. Or maybe it's f2.0. I'm also not sure which one is the correct. Which website is showing the correct resolution for the no, sorry, the correct aperture for the camera. Okay, then it's f2.2 then. And then we got 8 megapixel for the ultra wide camera, it's f2.2, and the TOF camera. Finally, they added one time of flight sensor, which we saw on the Huawei P30. So now it's in the A80. And yeah, so that is all the cameras. And you're asking where's the selfie camera? Obviously, you already know it's actually on the rear facing camera. It's going to rotate to your front facing camera when you switch the mode. So yep, it's using a motorized pop-up rotating camera module. Alright, regarding the camera module, so this is where things get a bit concerning. So most of you guys for sure are worried about the durability of the motor or something. So yeah, that's one concern. Another concern is you will lose the water resistance. So you notice, I watched the keynote, there wasn't any mention about water resistance, which is one bad thing. And yeah, another concern is the casing. So if you want to buy a case for this phone, I mean, how is it going to be like? Because I don't think you'll be able to put a case. Because if you do put a case, how is the camera going to pop up? It's going to blocking the case. So worst case is you cannot put a case, or you just find a case where it only comes out until here, so it doesn't block the pop-up camera. So that's just one worst case scenario for you. And yeah, so yeah, that's one bad con there. And another thing, I think you guys didn't know that this is, I think, this is the first Galaxy device without a headphone jack as well. Not mistaken. They didn't really show the bottom of the phone, but from what I heard, it doesn't have a headphone jack. So yeah, if you use the headphone jack, unfortunately it's not available on A80. You have to rely on the Type-C connector or go wireless. So yes, that's one sad thing. Alright, let's see what else. It does say yes on the GSM Arena, but it's wrong. Actually, it doesn't have one. I don't know why is it saying yes. So it doesn't have a headphone jack. Alright, so I think all this is okay. Regarding the fingerprint scanner, this is not the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner we saw in the S10 series. So this is just the under display fingerprint scanner that they're calling. It's basically like the one on the OnePlus 60. The one that shines through the light shines through your finger and then identify your fingerprint using 2D recognition. So yep, and let's see, we got the battery size of 3700 mAh battery, which is considerably smaller actually than the last year's Galaxy A9. Not mistaken, that one was a bigger battery. This one was smaller. But speaking of fast charging, we do have a new fast charging speed here, which is 25 watt. So this is equivalent to like a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. It's faster a bit. And yeah, so I'm not sure whether they give you the charger which is capable of giving you 25 watts. I'm not sure because the one on the S10 is only giving us 15 watt charging, which is equivalent to a Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0. So yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is what we got. But I wish this feature was on the S10, but I hope they bring it over via software update, who knows. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it, and we have the color section. So we have 3 colors to choose. We got Angel Gold, Ghost White, and Phantom Black. I'm not sure I can show you guys the colors. So the one I got here is just, oh yeah, there we go. Here's all the colors that we got. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it actually for the A80. What do you guys think? I think it can be a good premium mid-ranger, but the problem is Samsung didn't announce the pricing at all, so we only can expect to know the pricing right around May. So that is where you get to know the pricing. So I'm hoping this device doesn't get so expensive, because if it's just if the pricing is very close like to the S10e or something, then there's no point in buying this actually, unless you're really keen on that all bezel-less display and that camera. If you really like taking selfies or doing live streaming on your phone, then this could be a great phone for you. Other than that, if you care about the water resistant headphone jack, these stereo speakers is missing by the way. If you care about all those things, I can say this phone is a no-go. Might as well you stick with your, maybe if you're planning to buy a new phone, just get the S10e. That's a better phone actually than this one. It's flagship level, so you're gonna get the software updates much faster than this one, because as I know, mid-rangers don't get updates as fast as the flagships obviously. So in my opinion, yeah, so the S series usually gets it faster. But anyway guys, so that's pretty much it for the initial impression of the Galaxy A80. What you guys think of this device? In my opinion, let's wait for the price first. Then we'll talk. But anyway guys, that's all the specs I can go through you guys, and yeah, so that's pretty much it guys. Thank you guys for watching this quick initial impressions video about the Galaxy A80. I'm not gonna go through all the A series that was launched just now, A70, yeah, A70, A50 and others, A30, 2010, all those devices. They're all mid-rangers, so I won't be going through those devices, as I actually am more interested on the A80 only. This is why I'm doing this video, for that only. So yeah guys, what do you guys think of this phone? I think, as I said, if you like that triple camera and that bezel-less display, then it could be a good deal. But other than that, just wait for the pricing and we'll see. Thank you guys for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.